Hello everyone, my name is Amina. Welcome back to our channel where we talk about curly hair, lifestyles, etc, etc. In this video, I am going to be trying this new styling technique where you just skip the leave-in conditioner part and you just style it with a styling gel. I'm using this GIORGI one, but you can use whichever you have. I hate having wet hair, but I'm sorry with soaking wet hair. Okay, now that I've done all my hair, I'm just going to hover the fuse, hover the fuse, hover the fuse. You get it. Hello again, I'm sorry for not updating you about my hair. It's been 2 days. Actually, I slept today and you can see that the curls are very open and wavy now. And it's very frizzy. It's because I fluffed it, I gave it some volume, and well, volume sometimes makes my curls definition go to the trash. Anyways, if you want definition, I do not recommend you use it. Use like solely the gel without the leave-in conditioner. Otherwise, you can just use as many products as you want and as many products as your hair needs, because every hair is different and you should just embrace it, learn about it, and try to get over the needs, right? Okay, well, I think that's it for this video. If you liked it, if you did, please give it a thumbs up and follow us all. Love you. Ciao.